You got there's some
Hey guys,
questions
it's the one and only God here, back with another YouTube video. But this one is going to be different. This one is where I take a regular light bulb and put it in the microwave. This is a regular, just clear light bulb. Look at it. It's a rainbow light. It's an actual regular, just light bulb, and it's actually becoming a rainbow light. I used to be terrified of this. Woo! Well, that's unexpected. Full-on light bulb exploded. Dang! The last light bulb didn't explode. Light bulb just kind of went dead. Dang!
You wearing your hazmat.